Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will do the MCQs of class 10th economics chapter 4 globalization and the Indian economy. So let's start today's video. Our first question is the integration between countries through foreign trade and foreign investment is options are colonization, civilization, globalization or industrialization? Answer is globalization. Next question is the companies that spread their economic activities to various parts of the world are options are companies of colonial countries, companies of European countries, MNCs or none of the above. Answer is MNCs, which stands for multinational companies. Next question is MNCs set up offices and factories for production in more than one country to options are get cheap labor and other resources or minimize cost or maximize profit or all of the above. Answer is all of the above. MNCs set up their offices and factories to get cheap labor and other resources as well as minimize cost and maximize their profit. Next question is liberation policy was introduced by Indian government to options are compete Indian producers around the world or discourage Indian producers or to increase foreign import or all of the above. Answer is compete Indian producers around the world so that Indian producers could get chance to compete with the other producers around the world. Next question is special characteristics of such are options are allowed flexibility in labor laws, world-class facilities are made available or both 1 and 2 or none of the above. Answer is both 1 and 2 means it allows flexibility in labor laws and world-class facilities are made available for such. Next question is the money that is used to set up industries, buy assets, merge with companies based in foreign land is called options are investment, foreign investment, trading or development. Answer is foreign investment. Next question is the international institution that establishes rules regarding international trade is options are such MNCs, WTO or ICT. Answer is WTO, which stands for World Trade Organization. WTO sets the rules regarding international trade. Next question is new economic policy introduced in India around options are 1980, 1970, 1991 or 1960. Answer is 1991. Next question is objective of WTO is to options are increase Indian import, make India market for European countries or liberalize international trade or establish colonization power. Answer is liberalize international trade. Objective of WTO is to liberalize international trade. Next question is which of these Indian companies emerge as MNCs? Options are Reliance Industries, Indian Oil Corporation, Tata Industries or Godrej. Answer is Tata Industries. All these are Indian industries out of which only Tata Industries emerge as MNCs. Next question is SEZ stand for options are special economic zones, or social and economic zones, or social establishment zones, or special electricity zones? Answer is special economic zones. Next question is tax on import is option R to promote service, trade barrier, to improve quality of services, or none of these. Answer is trade barrier. The tax that is applied on import is called trade barrier. Next question is information and technology play a major role in process of civilization, growth, globalization or settlement. Answer is globalization. Next question is various restrictions applied by government of a country to increase or decrease foreign trade is option are FDI, trade barrier, external trade or liberation. Answer is trade barrier. A country applies some restrictions on the international trade, whether it could be to increase the trade or it could be for decreasing the foreign trade, and this is called trade barrier. Government could reduce the taxes to increase foreign trade, or it can increase taxes for decreasing foreign trade. So to increase or decrease foreign trade, trade barrier is applied by the government of a country. That is all for today. I hope you like the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and share the video with your friends and relatives and subscribe the channel.